is a small word, but it has a very big power. Hope means believing that good things can happen even when things feel difficult. It is like a light that shines in the darkness and helps us keep moving forward. The Bible says, hope does not disappoint us. This means that when we place our hope in God, He will always guide us. God may not give us everything immediately, but He never leaves us empty. Hope gives us strength, courage, and patience. In our daily life, we need hope in many situations. When we study for our exams, we hope to do well. When we play sports, we hope to win. When we face challenges, we hope that things will get better. And this hope pushes us to try harder and not give up. Hope also helps us to stay positive. Even on bad days, hope reminds us that tomorrow can be better. It teaches us to trust God and trust ourselves. So, my dear friends, let us always keep hope alive in our hearts. No matter how tough life becomes, remember that hope is our strength, and hope never disappoints us.